Welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we examine music. We break the numbers and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback. We inspire us. Basically, we post on toxins and content. Bazalan, you all know if I'm chilling like this and I start recording and you see a video, just know it's a music video. All right. So there's a music video I saw earlier today. I was recording one of the videos also during the week, and I stumbled across something, and I was like, wait, what? So there is a choir, but I don't know what's the name of the choir. Kodwa bathi yini? PJ Mass Choir, which is I don't know what does PJ extra actually stands for. No, PG Mass Choir. This is based in Mpumalanga, where I was yesterday. So the name of the song is Bonke Ebakholwa Nguye. So, ngiyangazi mina without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it.
Bonke abakholwa
Oh, praises of God. Praises of God. That's why. Damn. I don't know, y'all. Praises of God. Praises of God. Where do you come from? Well, of course, you'll come from Impoma. But where do you come from? Have I ever reacted to y'all before? Have I? I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. I won't sit here and lie to you guys. I don't know. I don't. Damn. Hey, the music video is clean. Bashaya nge-first part bashaya high ten amosobhekela bathi bheka bafela bathi soprano or first part, whichever that she's singing is just there. Damn. I told you last. I was like, y'all ain't prepared for what's about to happen in 2026, man. So the song says that all that believe in him will shine as bright as the sun. I mean, yeah, as bright as the light. Those that believe in him shine as bright as light. So it's a pretty powerful song. And I like the PG Mass Choir. That is dope. No, this is slick. That was dope. That was dope. That nah, fam. Who has done this to Zion? Who has sang like this? Who has sang Ashai First Party walking past Samantha Batula Zion? Who? Nobody. This is the first Zion music video to do that, bro. If you think I'm lying, watch every music video you've ever. That's a Zion that you know. This is the first time some. Who do you know? Who? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm tripping over here, man. I am tripping over here right now. What time is it? It's 7 p.m. and I'm out here tripping over this song. Damn.
All those believe in Him, all those believe in God, all those believe in God, all those believing in God, they are sunshine, hey yeah, hey yeah, they are sunshine, hey yeah. Oh.
This dude is smart. All those that believe in him are sunshine. All those that believe in him are sunshine. That's crazy. That is crazy. Bonke bakholelwa kuye. Yeah, that one. That one.
Evening, they are sunshine. Hey yeah, hey yeah, they are sunshine. Hey yeah, oh kanisa, oh kanisa welana, oh kanisa welana, oh kabathembe.
Whoever chose this place was really smart, because when you look at the background complements everybody. You understand that when you look at the background and you look at Ikwaya itself, it complements everyone. Everyone goes hand in hand. Whoever shot this thing, big ups to that production, bro. Like, I saw it in the beginning, but guys, this is amazing, bro. This is crazy.
Uthabathina nasibani sokhanyisa uthabakholelwa kimi abadinge nasibani uthi lokho konke nikufisayo mina ngiyonenzela uthi konke nicelayo kimi mina ngiyonenzela uthi uJehova abahlala kimi ngiyobenzela konke Kangisola, oh kangisola,
Nah, man, the visuals were insane. I don't know if I've reacted to you guys. Like, I feel so bad. I think I have. I don't know. I don't remember. I'm not gonna lie, bro. With so much footages on this channel, yeah, maybe I could have. I will definitely check it out again. Wow! First of all, big ups to the production, big ups to the director, bro. You know my favorite part of the song when the leader was walking past. No one has done that as Zion. No one. There is no Zion music video that I can recall that I've ever watched in my life, even the past year, where I saw something like that. It's the first. Oh man, this is what I love when people bring their creativity as Zion. Wow. And intana the production. The moment bayashitala pa yazi umsebenzi wayo. Now I need to contact the brewer and be like, bruh, I was watching a music video, APG, Mesquires. Nah, you did a great job. Yo, bear, make sure you go watch that video. So, you're any favorite beautiful Mr. Chicos going on. I'm sending out adios.